Hi, my name is Jenna Congdon. I'm a nurse and medical writer. I recently wrote an article titled On the Road Again, Virtual Reality for Post-Stroke Rehabilitation for the News and Perspectives column for the Journal of Medical Internet Research. In this article, I explore how virtual reality systems, such as one might use for a video game, can be used to help patients relearn how to drive after they've had a stroke. For this piece, I interviewed a wonderful lady named Amanda Shannon. Amanda had a stroke when she was only in her 30s. With a lot of hard work and support from her medical team at the Cleveland Clinic, Amanda was able to use virtual reality to relearn how to drive. She is now safely back on the road, even with her kids in the car. What I hope people take away from this piece is a sense of just how amazing it is that we can use technology that's already at our fingertips to help people recover after a serious medical event, and just how meaningful and impactful that regained independence is in these people's lives. Click on the article link in the description to learn more.